So today I'm going to be bringing you guys a quick video talking about how you can find different ways of making money online through things that you already know. If you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone who's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how to build your online stores and how to make money online. I'm going to talk about how you could potentially use things you already know to do to help you to make money online. And I'm also going to talk about my own online money making journey to show you how this kind of ties in with focusing on what you already know to do to help you to actually make a little extra online. First thing I want you guys to do before you get into this video is to write down in the comments something you are good at. This could be something other people have told you you're good at, or something that you find extremely easy to do. I'm interested to see what you guys put down, but it's all gonna make sense as the video goes on. As for my own online money making journey, it's been a bit of a whirlwind, a bit of a roller coaster. And for those that watch my videos, you know I usually talk about Redbubble and how you can make money through Redbubble. And obviously Redbubble is a great platform to use. It's a great site that enables you to make money through making designs, through staying on top of trends, and pretty much through just seeing what's on demand, which is something I always advise you to do. Now, throughout my own money making journey, I mean, it started a long time ago when I started YouTube back in 2012. I learned to love making videos, learned to edit, learned to design, and these are things that then became very easy for me to do, things that I was very passionate about. Now, nearly 10 years into the future, I am in a sense making money through the things that I'm good at. And one thing I've come to realize over time is that there's different things you can go to, different things you can use to allow you to do this. Obviously, at this moment in time, the things that are allowing me to monetize my passions in a sense are Redbubble, mainly because when I'm designing, obviously that's something that I enjoy doing. For most of the videos that I edit, I enjoy the editing process because it's fun for me. And after many years, looking back, it kind of brings everything together as to why I'm at the point that I am at now. As for you guys watching, with whatever talent it is you have, you need to think, if you're really good at this thing, whatever it may be, there's probably other people that are starting up at a level that you was at months, years, or maybe even decades ago. You just need to find a way to teach people how you can do whatever it is you know. For me, I mean, there's various things that I could potentially do. If I wanted to teach people how to use, you know, my editing software, whether that be the video editing software or my design editing software, there's so many things I could potentially do if I want to obviously teach people certain things. But for you guys, you need to figure out who your crowd of people are that enjoy the things that you're into. The internet is a big space, which is something that I do through this channel, as most of the information that I've been teaching, that I teach you guys, is through struggles I went through along my Redbubble journey. Any struggles that I come across now. One thing I want to push in this video, guys, is your passion is your power. Whatever you're passionate about will give you the power to make extra revenue. The only thing between your passion and you getting to the money is the middle thing that will allow you to put everything together. Like I said throughout this video, for me, those middle things have been Redbubble, YouTube, obviously other print-on-demand sites, whether that be Spreadshirt, TeePublic. Print-on-demand has been obviously one of my middlemen. And if you're ever in doubt of what your passions are, what you think you're good at, come back to this video, look in the comment section, look at your comments, see what other people are saying, and let that be something that motivates you to push towards what it is you enjoy doing. I mean, if you enjoyed what I spoke about and you're looking for different ways to potentially help you guys to make money, check out this video here. Comment "I've got this" if you've made it to this point in the video, and always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.